Ease of use with Intact has been just absolutely great. I can have a new person sit down, walk them through a couple of steps, and by the end of the day, they are able to maneuver around in the system. I'm Pam Baker. I work for Laird Management. I am the Controller and Director of Human Resources. When I joined the company, we were using QuickBooks. Every restaurant was pretty much its own operating entity. We were operating approximately 19 different instances of QuickBooks. So you didn't have a shared chart of accounts. You couldn't easily consolidate or reconcile due to and due froms with intercompany transactions. So just to do 2 financial reports would take me 8 to 10 hours. During our evaluation, we really wanted something that would grow easily with us, was user-friendly, and I didn't have to wait for updates. That's what we have with Intact. Sage Intact has helped streamline our business by allowing our reporting to be created in less than half the time it used to get twice as many reports completed. We have financials done by the 10th of the month now instead of the 20th or the 25th. So I've been able to take that time and find savings within our company, renegotiate contracts for a variety of services that we do. So I've been able to actually do part of my job by being able to go back and analyze what's happening within our industry and our company and turn around those savings and add them back to the bottom line. My time savings has helped me expand my human resources role. Prior to Sage, it was concentrating more on that accounting role. That HR role wasn't seeing the investment in the business that needed to become that integral partner of the business. Using Sage Intact has just been so user-friendly, easy to move around in. Whatever you're looking for to report on, it's available to go in and find. The system has just been awesome in allowing me to do those things.